welcome to our Christmas show. My name is Lambert the Lion, and today I've brought some friends with me. Friends who absolutely love Christmas, and friends who absolutely love singing. We've got some great numbers prepared for you this morning, so without further ado, I'm proud to present the perfectly prepared, properly practiced, perilously performed, the puppet performance! Yay!
Good.
Oh, well, the angels did sing was certain for shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they keep their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 Lord is the King of Israel. Way up, and saw the star shining in the east beyond the far, and to the earth he gave great light, and so with the changing of day and night. Nowhere, 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 the Lord is the King of Israel. Nowhere, 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 Lord is the King of Israel. Lord is the King of Israel. Lord is the King of Israel.
Oh, please. That was a close one, you guys. We were not ready for that. Okay, we're almost ready, guys. Oh, just hold on. Okay. Hey. What are you guys doing there? Get out. No, I'm just kidding. There. Okay. What? And now for the line I was supposed to say. Wow, what a treat! I haven't seen Elvis since we were in that eating contest together. I got disqualified for trying to eat the other contestants. Well, you know, because I'm a lion. Elvis was the king, all right. The king of flavor. Next up is a holiday classic. Hark the herald angels sing.
The herald angels sing, glory to
right, lady. They sure sounded like angels to me. But then again, my ears are still full of fruitcake. Well, you don't have to spend much time in Buena Vista to know that there are a lot of mountains here. And hey, that just so happens to be what our next song is about. Go tell it on the mountain. And that mountain. And that mountain over there. Oh, and don't forget about that mountain down by... Oh, you get the idea.
Jesus Christ is born. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds kept their watching o'er silent clouds by night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Down in a lowly manger, the humble Christ was born, and God sent us salvation, that blessed Christmas morn. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. He's born. He's born. He's born.
Well, that's one mountain down, a few hundred to go. Whoever wrote this next song has clearly never heard my Uncle Lionel the Lion sing. Let heaven and nature sing? More like, let heaven and nature stop. Oh, please, Uncle Lionel, no more singing, no more. Oh. Joy to the world, everyone. joy it is. This next song played a special part in the relationship between my father and my grandfather. The song is called, Do You Hear What I Hear? Why, my father loved this song so much, he would ask my grandfather about it all year long, to which my grandfather would always reply, What? Let's have a listen.
Oh no! I got water on my wrist. Oh well. Put the top on that for me, please. Oh well, my robe will fall over the robe.
There sure are a lot of people in that song. A little boy, a lamb, a king, people everywhere. But what I want to know is how the little shepherd boy could understand what the little lamb was saying. I mean, who talks to sheep? I don't talk to sheep. I eat them. Oh, this next song will be our last. Now, I know there's been some speculation on whether or not there were literally 3 wise men who visited Jesus. But think about this. Would you want to be the one who has to change all those nativity scenes? I think not. We 3 kings. Here we go!
Feel and counting, more and mounting, follow that shining star. Born a king, let me explain. Go out praising his acclaim. King forever, ceasing never. Of us all, he's gonna